Ready?
Last week, we showed you a fantastic boondocking spot just outside of Capitol Reef National Park. Took you with us into the park for a bit of history and rode on a scenic off-road trail just outside the park. We're continuing our 12-part video series on remote areas in Utah. We've already visited two very different areas of Capitol Reef that gave us some spectacular views. This week, we're moving north and driving the off-road trail Cathedral Valley Loop. The loop starts and ends from Highway 24, just up the road from where we're staying. We're opting to enter the lower portion of the loop on Harnet Road first. It's approximately 60 miles long and takes 6 to 8 hours depending on what you do during the day. The loop juts in and out between the national park and BLM land with beautiful things to see along each section. There are several spurs. Don't miss these. There's some great views here. We'll end at the northern connection to Highway 24, closest to Canesville. We're driving Casper, our four-wheel drive truck. Right off the bat, you'll need to cross the Fremont River. It's best to start at this end of the loop in case the river is impassable. We're used to crossing small creeks, but this is our first river crossing. Since it's hard to tell the depth of the water and how sandy the river is, we were a little nervous.
Ready?
No problem. We're told that the bentonite clay here can make the roads quite a mess during bad weather. It'll be a little over 15 miles before we enter Capitol Reef National Park and walk on our first trail. You'll turn left to take a spur road that goes about 1.2 miles. You'll then walk a quarter of a mile to see Jailhouse Rock, a monolith made of Entrada sandstone with a cap rock which protects it from erosion. Before hitting Cathedral Road, you'll want to take the spur that juts out to the right to get a view that overlooks Cathedral Valley. At 7,000 feet of elevation, the Cathedral Valley Campground has 6 primitive sites for campers with 4-wheel drive. It's first come, first serve. There's no cost to stay here, and it's a good place to stop since it has a pit toilet. From here, you'll continue on Cathedral Road, which takes you down narrow switchbacks to Cathedral Valley. Some shorter hikes along this road would be the half-mile round trip to the Morrill Cabin, used by cowboys who moved their cattle beginning in the 30s. Another hike would be the Cathedral Trail that takes you closer to the monoliths. right to take the spur to see the Gypsum Sinkhole. If you park at the end of the road, it's a short walk to see the sinkhole. It's reported to be 200 feet deep and 50 feet wide, and was made when the groundwater dissolved and drained away the gypsum dome. The next spur you'll want to take is the road to see the monoliths, Temple of the Sun and Moon, as well as Glass Mountain, a large mound of selenite crystals. From here, you'll be returning on BLM land, passing a variety of views, including the Bentonite Hills. We're glad we took this road with a high clearance four-wheel drive vehicle. Some of the washes were gnarly. When we were here, Cathedral Valley Road was pretty bumpy. Checking the current conditions of the road isn't a bad idea here. I've included links and information in the description to help you if you want to take this trip on your own. Next week, we'll be in the heart of the San Rafael Swell, finding another impressive boondocking spot and entering another world. We're glad you came along and hope that you'll consider liking and subscribing to our channel to help it grow.
I was trying to make a joke about retirement, but it did not work.